ganyan siya. Oh, yan. Foreignoy, say hello to your viewers. We are the Altenburg. Wow. Stop lang kami rito. Ice cream.
Berapa?
Oh, yun yung mag-ama. The fountain is just stopped. And Foreignoy is looking for the water.
You have to pay
Yun.
1 euro
Oh, need to pay?
to start it again.
So, yung Foreignoy, ayan, walang-walang guys, kung saan-saan nakakarating. Oh, ganyan siya. Oh, ayan, para siyang lasing. Ba yan? Ayan yung aking Foreignoy. Baby Johnny.
Also Gold ist wieder aufgebaut worden und einige Sachen
Order ka na, Baby Foreignoy.
That's it.
Hat auch Durst.
Gusto niya uminom ng cola.
So, Fisch willst du essen, oder?
Ang ganda dito guys, oh. May ano sila ng ano, irrigation. Ano, tubig. Ayan. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda rito guys. Harap ko sa inyo to. Wow! Nandiyan eh? Wow!
Fish plata.
Fish
plata.
plata.
Mixed with calamari.
Yeah, you sit there.